Hi friends, yeah, today start the sixth new book history unit 3 importance and book pack questions. Yeah, this lesson discuss about Harappa, the how to last the cities, then how to implement the Hindu civilizations and the urban civilizations. Discuss this lesson. I read out full lesson. I choose the important points. Then book back questions. Very useful for the preparation TNPSC exam and school children's. Everything very useful. Yeah, now start the lesson. First point. The Archaeological Survey of India ASI was started in 1861 with Alexander Cunningham as surveyor. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. The presence and absence of the archaeological remains can be detected by RADAR and remote sensing method. RADAR means remote sensing method. The town planning is a unique features of the Indian civilization. The urban city and two planned area. So whatever the two planned area Harappan city had two planned area. Harappa the lower towns and upper towns. Lower towns means the part of the city to the east was lower but larger. It was the inhabited by common people. Upper town, the part of the city to the west was, this is the lower town is the east was east. This is the west. West was higher and it was called the citadel. It was used by the administrators, great path and granites and located. Granaries and located. Megirath is a Neolithic state. It is located near the Bolan basin of Balochistan in Pakistan. Archaeological evidence suggested the Neolithic cultures extend in Megirath as early as 7000 BCE. It is the historical period characterized by the use of the articles made of bronze. The studies observed to have a grid patterns. They were the straight running from the north to south and east to west and intersected each other at right angles. So the Harappas lost the cities, they again find out the cities and manufacturing the plants. So everything's doing like this. So rectangle, right angle sheet, the grid and patterns, we can use in this plan. So many of the cities had the covered the drains. The drains were covered with the slabs or bricks. The great path was a large rectangular tank is a courtyard. It may be the earliest example of the waterproof structures. Granary with walls made of mud bricks which are still in a good condition has been discovered in the Regis Hahi. A village is Harappa belong to the mature Harappan phases. The assembly hall, make the assembly hall. The assembly hall was the another cute public building at Mohenjo-daro. It was a multi-pillared hall. 20 pillar is 4 row to be supported the roof. Trade and transport. So how to trade and transport using this Harappa The Harappas were the great traders. Standardized weights and measure were used by them. They used the sticks with marks to measure length. They used cart with spokeless solid wheels. So we are manufactured the forkless solid wheels. There is evidence for the extensive maritime trade with Mesopotamia. Indus seals have been found as far as Mesopotamia, Sumer, which are modern days Iraq, Kuwait and part of the Syria. The king Naram Sin of Akkadian Empire, Sumerian, has written about the buying jewelries from the land of Meluka, the region of the Hindu Valley. The cylindrical seals similar to those found in the Phrygian Hub and Mesopotamia have also been found in the Indus area. This shows the trade links between these two areas. Anaval Takyard has been discovered is the Lothal in Gujarat. It show the maritime activities of the Indus people, Takyard and Lothal. The Lothal is situated on the bank of a tributary of the Sabarmati River in Gujarat. The technical implementation, Indus people had developed a system of standardized weight and measure. Euryx scale found in the Lothal in Gujarat in 1704 millimeter, the smallest divisions ever recorded on a scale of other contemporary civilization. The word civilization comes from the ancient Latin word civis, which means city. Copper was the first metal discovered and used by the humans. Indus people used the red quartz stone called the carnelian to design the jewelries. The info bit, the earliest of writing was developed by the Sumerians. Archaeological site at Mohenjo-daro has been declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built by the King Khufu in 2500 BCE, built with limestone. The 15 stones each, Mesopotamia, Sumerian period, Chingayat, built by King Ura Nammu in honor of the moon god Sin. The Apu symbol site of the two temples built by Egypt King Ramesses II. So all of you understood the important points, very useful for the preparation exam. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share your friends. Next class, the book back answer. I put the video. Thank you.